Hey guys, it's Taylor here with another video. Now cameras are great in that they capture memories for you to keep and share with others. More importantly, they also allow you to document your life and experiences so that you can look back on them later. With that said, cameras do have the challenge of striking the perfect balance between portability, features, and price. Also, they come in various types, so there's no such thing as one size fits all for cameras. The best thing that you can do is find the one that fits your needs and situation the most. And so with that in mind, I put together a list of the 3 best cameras that not only address these factors, but also provide great value for your money. And then, depending on your particular situation, you can see which one might be the best option for you. And as always, you can check pricing for any of these products in the description below, and if I'm able to get any discounts or coupon codes, I'll include those for you as well. So first up is our pick for the best point-and-shoot camera, and that's going to be the Panasonic Lumix DMC LX10. Now, point-and-shoot cameras are great because they're small, lightweight, and easy to use. They're perfect for travel or for everyday situations where you just want to quickly snap a photo without having to worry about fiddling with settings. And out of this category, the Panasonic Lumix DMC LX10 really stood out to us as the best, and for many reasons. For one thing, this is a 20 megapixel camera with 3x optical zoom and 4K video recording capabilities. That combination is pretty rare for point-and-shoot cameras, and it allows you to take some really great photos and videos. As for performance, well, this camera has a fast autofocus system that's able to lock onto your subject very quickly. This is crucial for a point-and-shoot camera, as you never know when you'll need to take a photo and you don't want to miss the moment because your camera can't focus in time. And another thing that we loved about this camera is that it has a lot of features that we found extremely useful. One good example is Wi-Fi connectivity, which allows you to transfer your photos and videos to your computer or phone wirelessly. Lastly, the Panasonic Lumix DMC LX10 has a very sleek and stylish design that looks great whether you're carrying it around with you or just setting it down on a table. As a matter of fact, it's small and light enough that you can easily fit it into your pocket or purse. Now, if we have to be picky, the only downside to this point-and-shoot camera is that it lacks an electronic viewfinder, which we feel that would have been a nice addition as it would have allowed you to take photos and videos in bright sunlight without having to worry about the screen washing out. But still, that's a feature that most users of point-and-shoot cameras probably won't miss, especially for beginners, so it's not necessarily a deal breaker. So all in all, the Panasonic Lumix DMC LX10 is the best point-and-shoot camera that we recommend to most people. If you're looking for a small, lightweight, and easy-to-use camera that still takes quality photos and videos, then this would be the one to get. And next up is our pick for the best mirrorless camera, and that's going to be the Olympus EM10-4. Now, mirrorless cameras are different in that they don't have a reflex mirror like your typical DSLR. This means that they're typically smaller and lighter since there are fewer moving parts. Plus, they tend to have better autofocus since there's no mirror getting in the way. And out of the many mirrorless cameras we've tested, the Olympus EM10-4 is our top pick, and for good reason. First of all, it has a 20.3 megapixel micro 4/3 sensor that's capable of capturing some stunning images. Out of the box, you also get a 14 to 42mm kit lens, which is a great all-purpose lens to get you started. However, this mirrorless camera also works with more than 100 micro 4/3 lenses, so you have a lot of options when it comes to upgrading. Another standout feature of this mirrorless camera is its 5-axis image stabilization, which is great for handheld shooting, especially in low light. And speaking of low light, this camera also performs surprisingly well in dark conditions thanks to its fast maximum aperture. This means that no matter what kind of light you're shooting in, you'll be able to get excellent results. Plus, its weather-sealed body means that you can take this camera out in all kinds of weather without worry. We also like that this mirrorless camera features a variable angle touchscreen LCD, which makes it really easy to take shots from different angles, and you can even use it for vlogging since you can see yourself while you're recording. And finally, the Olympus EM10-4 is a great choice for beginners as it's easy to use with its fully automatic mode, but it also has manual controls if you want to get creative and experiment with different settings. So whether you're a beginner or a more experienced photographer, this mirrorless camera will serve you well. Of course, no camera is perfect, and a minor complaint that we have with this mirrorless camera is that it doesn't support add-on microphones. That said, you can get around this by using an external recorder and then syncing the audio in post-production. But it's all something to keep in mind if you're planning on doing a lot of vlogging with this camera. So basically, the Olympus EM10-4 is our top recommendation for people looking for an excellent all-around mirrorless camera. It's great for beginners and experienced photographers alike, and it takes stunning photos and videos with plenty of lens kit upgrade options available. If these are the qualities you're looking for in a camera, then you'll be very happy with this model. Last but not least is our pick for the best action camera, and that's going to be the GoPro Hero 9 Black. Now, GoPro has a reputation for making some of the most capable and durable action cameras on the market, and this particular model is no exception. It's got a whopping 5K video resolution and can shoot up to 60 frames per second, making it great for capturing fast-paced action. Plus, with its hyper-smooth stabilization technology, you'll be able to get smooth and steady footage even if you're moving around a lot. And in addition to all that, this camera is also waterproof up to 10 meters, so you can take it with you when you go swimming or surfing without any worry. Plus, it has a built-in color display so you can see what you're filming as you're doing it. And finally, it comes with a host of accessories including a mountable frame, a rechargeable battery, and a USB cable. We also like that this action camera features a bigger battery that lasts up to 30% longer than previous GoPro models. And if you do happen to run out of juice, you can quickly recharge it using the included USB-C cable. Of course, you can also invest in additional batteries if you think you'll need them. As for downsides, well, the only issue that we have with this action camera is its bigger size. This makes any accessory that you want to use with it a bit more expensive since they have to be specifically made for the GoPro Hero 9 Black. But other than that, this is an excellent action camera that's perfect for anyone who wants to capture their adventures in stunning detail. So overall, the GoPro Hero 9 Black is our top recommendation to anyone looking for the best action camera to film their outdoor adventures. If you just want a durable and capable camera that will be able to film in high quality no matter what you're doing, then this would be the one to get. So that wraps up our list of the best cameras. I hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment, suggestions for future videos, or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Consumer Buddy family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. So until then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video.